Gloozi here with another hair dye video. Finally going to dye the hair. First bleaching, of course, then dyeing it. I'm going to give it another try to go to purple. If you have seen my last video, that's the last time I dyed my hair, so that's over a year ago. So that color turned out to a blue, greenish more color. And then we have lots and lots of roots, of course, because it has been a whole year since I bleached and dyed my hair. I'll put a link down below if you haven't seen that video yet. And otherwise, well, continue watching this video because I'm finally going to fix this hair after a year. Let's see if we can finally get the purple hair. Fingers crossed for that. And well, let's start bleaching. This time I didn't buy a bleaching kit. This time I bought everything myself. So I went to the online web shop, Attitude Holland, where I mostly buy my hair dyes. They had like bleaching powder and peroxide. I have the peroxide Activator volume 40 and then, oop, it's falling. And then I have bleaching powder of 50 grams, so it's 50-50. So that's 100 gram, and then this is 100 milliliter. I have two of these, so I'm going to mix up 200 milliliter with 100 grams of bleaching powder. It's also the first time that I'm mixing up this myself, so I hope that I'm doing the proportions right, like 100 grams of this with 200 of that. So let's hope it comes out good. Let's see. As you can see, all the bleach is in my hair. I'm very happy with this. It's lifting really well. So I think I found my new favorite bleach because this is working really fast. I remember last time I was also very happy with the bleach, but this time I'm amazed. Like, okay. I'm going to keep it in for a bit longer and then I'm going to wash it out and see if it's light enough for the purple, or maybe I have to bleach again. We'll see. I just rinsed all the bleach out of my hair. As you can see, the roots are very white, and then we have this is very yellowy, and then, well, the blue-green is still in it, of course, since I don't really think that will get out anyways. Actually, once it's dried up, it looks pretty good. Like, right now, it's already mostly dried up. On the camera, you don't really see it, but in real life, it's like the color is almost the same everywhere, so there are no spots at all. And then this is like a cotton candy blue-greenish color. And then this is like almost white, since I also put some bleach on top of the blue and then some parts became white. It's the day after. As you can see, the sun is shining, so it's not nighttime anymore. My hair is fully dried. I just let it air dry. I think I don't have to bleach anymore, so one bleach was enough. So that's really good. And I think I can just put the purple on top of this, because look at that. I think it lifted really well. And it's everywhere, like kind of the same. Like, okay, it's lighter here than in the back, but I think this will be enough though. I think on the camera it shows darker, but in real life it's more like a level 7, 8 even maybe. And then this is like a 9. I'm not sure with the numbers though, I'm just saying something. Maybe in the light you can see it a bit different, and it's lighter. Yeah, here it shows it's lighter. I'm really happy that it only took one bleach and not more, because my scalp will not love me if I do another bleach, I think. Because right now, I don't know if you can see it, but it's already a bit irritated, of course, because bleaching. I think my hair is ready to get some purple. This is the first time I'm trying out an Artic Fox hair dye, and this time I took Purple Rain for purple hair dye. They told me that this will not turn blue, so yeah, I will actually be purple this time and it will not fail, okay guys? It smells amazing, seriously, and it looks purplish, look at that. I used it all, the whole bottle, and honestly I have no clue which purple will it be, like that purple or that purple or that purple. Oh my god. I just finished putting everything in my hair. I put the whole bottle in my hair, as you can see in the bucket. I think I need to clean this up. Let's hope it goes off pretty well, because otherwise I'll see a bit purple on my skin. It seems my glove broke mid, and I have no clue when it broke, but yeah. Some of my fingers are purple now. Let's hope I can get it out fast. Otherwise, I'll have 2 purple fingers, no worries. I cannot wait to see what the result is after I wash this out, but this will definitely be purple. Like, this is not even close to blue, so this will be purple. Yes, finally switch purple. It's the next morning and I washed my hair out, and look how freaking vibrant this is. Oh my god, this is definitely purple and not close to blue at all. We did it, yay. Also, I woke up and look at my lip, it got worse. Like, I don't know if you saw in the beginning, but I only had like this and now I have this on top of it. Like, it's getting worse and worse, and I don't know. I really hope it goes away fast because it's hurting. It hurts so much, and I have no clue how to get it away. It's going to be weird though to be purple now. I've been purple before, but not this purple, so this is the first time. I streamed today for the first time with this hair, and I'm so happy by your reactions. Thank you so much for that. Fun fact, this actually took me 4 freaking hours to get in my hair this dye because I was really stubborn and I was afraid it wasn't going to take well. So I took like these kind of strands and I did them one by one, like separated with my fingers, like fully, and that's how I did it. My whole head. The purple is like everywhere, so freaking good. Like, you don't even have to bleach it properly because here it was not bleached that much. Like, it was still a bit darker here, and still it took so well. I'm so freaking amazed. I'm so freaking happy with this. But yeah, maybe next time if I go blue again or something, maybe I'll try Arctic Fox again. Like, I feel like I need to try this dye out more. After about a year, I finally switched purple. Last year I got Twitch partnership and I said if I ever get Twitch partnered, I'll dye my head Twitch purple. Like, okay, it's not like the same, but it's purple, okay? It's purple. I'm saying the whole year I have a blue hair curse. I don't have a blue hair curse anymore because it's fixed. I'm purple now. I still like my blue, you know, like I'm known for my blue hair. So I'll probably go back to blue someday. I don't know when yet. I hope you all enjoyed this video and I hope you all like my hair. Leave in the comments below how you like this hair. If you like the purple or the blue more, let me know. I want to see. Or any other color, like if you say like, hey Gloozi, try that color, like I don't know. Let me know. I'm so freaking happy with it. It looks amazing. The colors look so vibrant. I'm so happy on how it came out. Like, I can seriously not wait to see how this washes out and how this will be in the future. Love you all and see you all in my next video. Bye bye.